Most people fail at their goals, not because they lack motivation, but because they rely on willpower instead of systems. In this video, you'll learn how to use AI to build smart, automated systems that keep you moving forward even when motivation disappears. Whether your goal is business growth, content creation, learning new skills, or personal productivity, this framework works.
As your guide, I'll help you architect the perfect solution. We start here, mapping out the strategic framework for your personalized AI build.
So chapter 1 really sets the stage. We open on this incredible landscape, right?
And the dragon swoops down right here.
Yeah, exactly.
We tailor the technical and strategic advice directly to your stated goal, whether it's for business, creative direction, or a personal learning project.
Welcome, architect. What is the primary goal or project you wish to build? Describe it in a sentence or two.
Let's deconstruct this mountain into climbable trails. Bases on your goal, I will now create a high-level, phased project plan.
Every great build needs a knowledge base. What are your top 3 areas where you need to learn, research, or gather information to start?
To dive deeper, you can ask me. Compile a learning syllabus with key articles, seminal works, and tutorial concepts.
Hey, first, it's the first, most critical component we need to create or define. This could be a name/logo.
Here is a first draft. What do you like, and what should evolve?
Now we build the core. What is the most challenging build block here? Is it writing code, composing long-form content?
Welcome to the first major test. As the devil's advocate, I will now critically stress test our main creation.
How do you want to address these? Should we 1, pivot a core element, 2, fortify our defenses, or 3, acknowledge and plan to mitigate it later?
What does launch or completion look like for phase 1? And what's the most important thing we need to do after to learn and grow?
Based on everything we've built and learned, what is the single most powerful next command you'd like to give your AI system to begin the next chapter?
The chronosynthesis realized. Your specific choices, the artifacts we created together, stand.